So this is vegetable and yellow gari. Oshe badass. So we're making stew. You know how Sunday stew is now, but it's family stews. Plenty stew that will last us for 3 weeks. Yeah. We've also made vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. Super. Because in soup pepper. It's chicken we use a this is the vegetable soup we made. And this is the chicken we want to use to make our stew. You guys know already, right? Yeah. So the tomato is still on the fire. We actually made jollof rice again. Let me show you guys. Jollof rice is still on the fire. So this is the jollof rice we made. We made jollof rice. We're making stew, and this is the vegetable soup. You already know I've made vegetable soup like 10 times in this house. Maybe that is why I don't want to show you guys the process of making vegetable soup. This is stew and this is fried rice, all for Sunday galloping. So our vegetable soup is ready. Oh my god. Look at the way it's looking yummy. Looking yummy stick. I'm the one that's going to eat this. I love vegetable soup so much. Yeah, look at the plate. It's full. It's full. Let it not be like African magic. Look at the plate.
One thing that the flies can enter. Small fly.
Small flies enter?
Yes.
When you went to Mona Lisa Park?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The small fly was entering. Plenty.
Okay.
Baby fly was entering.
I'm eating curry.
Yes, this video.
So our stew is making progress. And right now we put our chicken on the fire. We are frying it so that this Sunday rice will be special. You guys know already, right? Look at our fresh tomato. The tomato is actually cheap now. It's not as expensive as before again. So people, our chicken is actually frying and our tomato is sitting pretty here, also frying. And remember, our heat is at very low. Yeah, so we need to make this stew so that everywhere will be tantalizing. If you know, you know. Have we put tomato? It's just a fresh tomato. Okay, this is both fresh tomato and seed tomato already.
Water there on purpose.
See, our stew is boiling, it's getting shape. And it's getting gumpy. See, stew we go Harvard. This stew will last us for 1 week.
A few moments later.
So you carry laptop to body school.
Yes, but we don't. They don't let us use it during exam time, but they let us use it only during weekends or when your teacher or when you carry notes from your teacher. Then you can use it. Then they will now tell you to shut it down, and they will now take it.
At what time?
It's during prep, and prep is from 7 to 9.
To 9, 2 hours prep.
Yes.
After that, what do you do?
You go, then the people there, the questions will do their devotion. I mean, I'll just wait for them, and you can go and back.
You don't broke. You pray before 8. Your last prayer is 7.
Then they're not going to do their devotion. When they're done, we'll play charades, because we usually play charades. Then we'll just go and shower. Then we'll get ready. We'll have nightcap. Then
What is nightcap?
Nightcap is a drink before sleeping, but it's either zobo or nightcap.
It's a drink. Is it like juice or something?
It's juice, so happy hour.
Oh.
It's happy
How
hour.
many?
It's just one small one that they'll give you. And the boys' own, they used to not freeze it, but our own in hostel, they used to freeze the girls'
Why?
own. I don't know, maybe because the boys are plenty and us girls were 23, 25.
Okay, you guys are less. The boys are more.
The boys are plenty.
In your boys' school.
So that's why they don't freeze their own.
So do you like your school?
It's trying.
You're trying. You're going back to school. Are you going to be sad? Holiday is over. Nebi?
The school is okay. Small.
No, me, I'm saying, as you're going back to school, are you not going to miss your house?
I'm going to miss the house very well. I'm going to miss everybody. I'm going to miss sleeping every time.
Sleeping when you like.
Yes.
And wake up when you like.
But in school, they'll just wake you up. During siesta, you just have like 30 to 1 hour of sleeping. They'll not go for booster class.
What is poster class?
Booster class is, for example, as if you're having a lesson teacher, but the teachers in school are like your lesson teachers.
Okay. No problem. So that is Nebi up there. And this is the same Nebi 12 years later. Do you know where they snapped this picture?
Drumsticks now.
It's not drumsticks.
When?
This picture is at that place they watch a movie that's like Silver Bed. That is upstairs. That is not Silver Bed. Not ShopRite. The other, not Jabi Lake. There's another place they watch film. Oh, somebody should call Dotu for me. I have to remember the name of the place. That is by So this picture was taken at Genesis Cinema. Yeah, it was. There's a studio down in that Genesis Cinema. That is where they took. Yeah, this picture 12 years ago. And look at her now. She's all grown. Congratulations, baby girl. Uncle, why are you not eating at the dining?
I want to watch some TV.
Because you want to watch what?
TV.
Where is the TV? What are you watching? SpongeBob.
Patrick Star Show.
What is the difference between Patrick Star Show and SpongeBob?
SpongeBob is about SpongeBob and Patrick is about Patrick.
But both of them are bestie now.
But this one, SpongeBob does not show.
Okay.
SpongeBob is younger and SpongeBob is younger.
SpongeBob is not in Patrick's own. But Patrick is in SpongeBob's own. Go and carry your plate downstairs. Fast.
Okay.
Stand up. Go. Drop your iPad.
Okay, I have to continue watching my episode.
Drop your iPad. Carry your plate downstairs. Good. Okay, pack the rice on the table.
Hey.
Pack all and put inside.
Oh.
That is how good girls behave.
I didn't like his pizza.
Has Abdul finished eating?
I'm not saying he ate. I think he drank tea or something.
He's so excited to go to school.
Abdul is not excited anything.
Much later.
So what are you eating, baby?
Nasta.
She's eating Moon and Stars. Is it delicious? Do you like it? Okay. It's not true, your mouth. Is it what you're eating for dinner or you still eat you? You eat again. You don't know yet. Okay.